Hook midnight to 0:15. 75% of businesses will use AI by 2026. That's huge. AI is changing everything. You must adapt now. Stay ahead of the curve. Set up 0:15 to 1 o'clock. AI news is blowing up. Claude's new AI just changed the internet forever. It's a game changer. You need the right tools. Notion, Jasper, and Claude are my top picks. They'll boost your business. Let's dive in. Notion 1 to 230. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. It's super customizable. Imagine you need to organize projects. Instead of 5 hours, Notion does it in 30 minutes. It's free or $10 a month. Entrepreneurs love it. It's a must-have. Streamline your workflow. Get more done. Jasper 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper is AI-powered content generation. It's crazy good. Create content in minutes. Instead of 2 hours, Jasper does it in 10 minutes. It's $29 a month. Marketers love it. It's a time saver. Create high-quality content. Fast and easy. Claude 4 to 5:30. Claude is AI-driven marketing automation. It's a total revolution. Claude's new AI is a game changer.